Winter.
Alright,
oh, no,
yo.
it was, all this was melted and it was like flooded. So like there was water in the middle.
Putting on the mask.
Like,
this is some fucking, I don't even know, yo. This is some purge shit. This is some conjuring shit. We got people over there with sick ass graffiti.
No, there's no water here now.
We got a little fucking, yo, there's a demonic baby on the tree. There's a demon baby.
It goes in.
Yo, this is crazy. I actually feel like I'm in like a fucking, like in Narnia, bro. What the fuck's going on? Bro, what is this? The toilet again, there he is.
Bro, this is where we started the fire.
Oh, hell no, bro.
Pretty fucking cool.
That's new, bro. Rip Vels? Valley? Rip Valley. Yo, look how hard that goes with that chrome, man.
Devo.
What the fuck happened in here?
Yo, you want to see a collapsed elevator?
Yeah. What's in this bitch? They had like a yo. They had like a rainbow type shit.
Oh yeah, that's another one. There's two of them.
Fucking staircase is gone, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Shit's like falling apart everywhere, bro. Oh shit.
Yo, it's still here. This is part of the shit we burned, I think. Oh, it's not that far.
Then be careful, someone fell down.
Bro, I can't even see what the fuck is down there. Up there, I don't know. You gotta fucking... This is fucked up. Star hit that. Bro, this is like a fucking... I don't know, there's mad flies in here. That's like a fucking... I don't even know, bro. I don't know what it is. It's so fucked up. An engine room, some shit. There's stairs that go downstairs. Yo, people go far in here, bro.
This is the other one that's collapsed, I think. Oh, this one.
This is another elevator.
Yeah. That one's way further.
Another staircase. Toasted. Gone. Are we going down? That's the only way to go. You can't go.
You could go back to across there.
No, you can't go up.
Oh, nah, you can't go up.
There's no way. What?
Anthony said he got up onto this building.
How, bro?
Nah, they made a way up. It's like